everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. We know that virus, worm and Trojan Horse are the malicious software program that causes damage the computer system or network. But some people think that all these are same and they can use these terms interchangeably. But the fact is these all three terms are different from each other. So in this video we will see what is worm, virus and Trojan horse and how they are different from each other. Let's start with the virus. Virus is a malicious program that attaches itself with the other host program without the user's knowledge and perform the malicious activities like destroy the data, corrupt the files or modify the data, files or software, or sometimes it corrupt the hard disk also. So these are the basic dangerous tasks which is done by the viruses. Now how they spread or replicated. So it replicated by the specific action by the users, like click on the advertisement or websites or through the emails, then use the infected storage devices, then use the infected websites or other type of links, then click on the executable files, etc. So viruses are not executed itself. It runs whenever the infected program is executed. This is the virus. Now the next term is worm. Worm is a malicious software program that replicated itself again and again. It means it don't need any host file or user action for the replication. Its purpose is to slow down the computer and occupy the system resources. Means it will not alter the data or destroy the data or modify the data. They sit in the system's active memory and replicate itself and consume system resources and slow down the computer. So its main purpose is to slow down the computer or hold the computer system. Now the third one is the Trojan horse. The name is due to the Greek soldier who hid inside the large hollow horse. When the gate opened for the soldiers, then the Trojan is also entered into the gate and attack on them. So same concept in Trojan horse means it is a hidden piece of code that seems like a useful program whose main purpose is to access the information, confidential information of the user. They sit silently in the system and access the confidential information like bank details, user ID and password, etc. of the user and send to the attackers without the knowledge of the users, and then attacker will use the user's detail to gain the access of the system of the user, and they are not self-replicated. They need user's action to execute it. Now after this we will see the difference between virus, worm and Trojan horse. So the first difference is virus is replicated on the user's action while the worm is self-replicated, means they don't need any user action, while in Trojan horse it is not self-replicated. Then the second difference is the purpose of virus is to destroy, modify or corrupt the file systems or softwares, while the purpose of worm is to slow down the computer, and the purpose of Trojan Horse is to access the confidential information of the user. Now the third difference is the rate of spreading of virus is moderate, while in worm rate of spreading is very fast, while in Trojan horse the spreading rate is slow. So these are the basic difference between virus, worm and Trojan horse. Now if you want to protect your system, then you have to use any antivirus which is good, effective and efficient. Thank you.